Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by preparing the system. Create a restore point so you can roll back if needed. Once done, check Windows Update and install any pending patches so the platform is current. Now open Device Manager using Win+X, then select Device Manager. Locate the processor's category and expand it. This is where CPU-related drivers live. Make sure you are signed in as an administrator, because you will need elevated privileges to update or install drivers. You should now locate the specific CPU entries under Processors and right-click one to choose Update Driver. If you select Search automatically, Windows will query Windows Update for matching drivers. That is quick and safe. Alternatively, choose Browse My Computer for drivers and point to the folder where you downloaded the vendor's package. Make sure the package is compatible with Windows 11. Repeat the update for each CPU entry. This ensures consistent firmware interfaces across logical processors. Once all updates are applied, restart the PC so the new drivers initialize correctly and the kernel can negotiate CPU features. After reboot, open Device Manager to verify no warning icons appear and check performance in Task Manager to confirm expected behavior. If you encounter stability or boot issues, go to System Restore and revert to your restore point, or open Device Manager and roll back the driver to the previous version. If problems persist, contact your CPU vendor support with the system logs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.